How do you pronounce C-A-L-L? Is it cool or call? Which is correct? A burned toast or a burnt toast? What is the correct pronunciation of T-H-E? Is it the or the? A lack has been contributed by them. Is it a correct statement? Find answers to all such queries with GrammarLover. Hi, I am Ron, the Grammar Lover. I'm here to help you with your learning of the English language, especially grammar. Let me tell you something about myself. I'm a professional editor, author, and a teacher trainer with over 2 decades of experience. I work with some of the well-known Indian and international publishing houses that make textbooks for school-going children. I recently series edited a set of 8 grammar textbooks which carry my legal name on the front covers and my short biography on the back covers. Titled Grow with Grammar, this series is targeted at school children studying in India across grades 1 to 8. Before we proceed with our first lesson, let me answer 4 important questions. Question number 1. Who will benefit from GrammarLover.com? GrammarLover has been designed in such a way that every lover of the language will find some value in it. However, we can broadly classify our users into the following 4 categories: language deliverer, language producer, language assessee, and language enthusiast. Now, who is a language deliverer? If you are a school teacher, if you're an English trainer, if you're an accent trainer, or an IELTS or TOEFL trainer, you are a language deliverer. Who is a language producer? If you're a content developer, content writer, script writer, lyricist, textbook editor, tradebook editor, newspaper desk editor, or a YouTuber like me, you are actually a language producer. Who is a language assessee? A student, a job seeker, entrance exam candidate, government job candidate, or IELTS or TOEFL candidate is a language assessee. These people are being assessed by someone for their language skills. Now, who is a language enthusiast? Anyone with a lifelong passion for learning the language. Yes, this means a person who does not fall under any of the categories mentioned above will fall under the class of a language enthusiast. Now, let's go to question number 2. How does GrammarLover plan to deliver the content? Well, the primary mode is through this YouTube channel. We will try to upload at least 1 video every week, preferably between Friday and Monday. What do you need to do? First, SLS. Subscribe, like, share. SLS is important because it ensures that you receive the videos on a timely manner every week. Moreover, sharing will ensure that most of the people get the benefit of our efforts. In addition to the weekly videos, we will upload related assignments on our website, GrammarLover.com. After watching the videos, I would advise you to please visit the website and complete your assignment as early as possible. Assignments are of course optional, but if you make it a habit to complete your assignments week after week, you will get the maximum benefit from these videos. The number 1 benefit being longer retention of the concepts, tips, and tricks that you will learn in these videos. Let me assure you, each of your responses will be personally seen by me. So, the second task for you is to complete your assignments regularly. Question number 3. Why are the videos in English? Why is it not in Hindi or any other vernacular language? You are basically asking if an American child born in America should learn English in Hindi. No. He learns first by listening to English, followed by speaking English. These are then followed by reading and writing in English. These 4 skills are called LSRW. Listen, speak, read, and write. He learns the language by remaining immersed in the language. This is similar to the concept of modern immersive learning. So, if you develop your listening skills, half of the work is done. The English sounds in a learning video like this will surely help you in developing your listening skills. The best part is that you can replay the video n number of times. You also have the benefit of reading the subtitles. All these will make you a step better at imbibing the language. English, as you know, is now spoken by a quarter of the world's population. Question number 4. What is the purpose behind GrammarLover.com? I will answer this question in detail. Let's talk about the first question that I asked in the video. How do you pronounce C-A-L-L? Is it call or call? C-A-L-L can be pronounced both ways, call as well as call. If both are correct, can we use them both? Or do we need to use one style of pronunciation somewhere and another in other places? This is tricky. Let me tell you why we have two pronunciations for the same word. The pronunciation call is mostly used in British English, whereas call is used in American English. How does this make any difference to us Indians? It does. Most Indian school textbooks have been written in British English. Most English teachers in Indian schools talk in British English. So British English should have come to Indians naturally, right? Wrong. Because people in India are also exposed to American English almost to the same extent. For the past 3 decades, Indians have been exposed to the world of computers and the internet. Most of the software, including MS Office and MS Excel, were created by Americans. Moreover, Hollywood movies play an important role to inject American sounds and spellings into the type of English used by Indians. So, besides pronunciation, there may be variations in spellings as well as even the choice of words. For example, which spelling to use for color? C-O-L-O-U-R or C-O-L-O-R. L-I-T-R-E, liter or L-I-T-E-R, liter. M-E-T-R-E, meter or M-E-T-E-R, meter. Again, which words to choose? Aubergine or eggplant, pavement or sidewalk. You should know that the spellings C-O-L-O-U-R, L-I-T-R-E and M-E-T-R-E are British. Similarly, aubergine and pavement are typically British. But in India, we have alternative words for aubergine and pavement. We call them brinjal, yes, brinjal, and footpath. These words are a part of Indian English. So Indians are a confused lot. Which type of English to follow? GrammarLover attempts to help you in removing such confusion. My take: you can follow any type of English, but when you choose one, do follow it consistently. If you mix them, you're bound to land up in trouble. For example, if you include C-O-L-O-U-R and C-O-L-O-R in the same writing, your reader will not accept it. Going by the sheer numbers, printed materials in British English far outnumber those written in American English in India. These include all legal documents, advertisements, newspapers and magazines, besides school, college and university textbooks. English is now spoken by approximately 100 million Indians. Moreover, the test creators of IELTS were originally British. So you can keep your default language as British English unless you have specific reasons to pursue American English. For example, if you want to appear in TOEFL or are looking for a career in the USA. For specific words, it is better to use Indian English. Grammar as a subject has many views on the same topics. In case we are limited to only one view, our writings stand a chance to be rejected as being wrong by some people. By knowing the divergent views, we can improve our written and spoken skills by using the most appropriate style for our target audience. GrammarLover attempts to provide you with a 360-degree view of the various topics. Let's rush to our first lesson today. By this time, I think you already have got your answer to the initial question right. You should ideally be pronouncing C-A-L-L as core, unless you want to sound American core. So, core was our first word that we often mispronounce. Word number 2 is A-L-S-O. A-L-S-O should be pronounced also and not also. Although both pronunciations are correct, also is British, while also is American. Word number 3, advertisement. It is pronounced advertisement and not advertisement. Advertisement is British. Advertisement is American. Word number 4 is P-O-E-M. It is pronounced poem in British English and not poem. Poem is British and poem is American. Word number 5 is L-E-I-S-U-R-E. It is pronounced leisure in British English, while leisure is American. Word number 6 is M-O-B-I-L-E. It is pronounced mobile in British English, while mobile is American. Word number 7 is M-I-S-S-I-L-E. It is pronounced missile in British English, while missile is in American English. Word number 8 is A-S-I-A. Very common. It is pronounced Asia in British, while Asia is American. Word number 9 is B-R-A. It is pronounced zebra in British English, while zebra is American. You can find out about the pronunciation of a host of such words on the internet, but please always make it a habit to verify the pronunciations from a good dictionary. I will talk about this part some other day. Have you noticed the pronunciation of announcers on TV, on radio, or in the metro? While most people speak it the right way, it is not uncommon to discover a few incorrect cases. Develop your ears to listen critically. Next time you listen to public announcements, do make an attempt to find out whether they have pronounced the words correctly or not. With this, I conclude today's lesson. How did you find this video? Write in the comments below. If you have any questions, comment. If you want to suggest anything, comment. If you have to make any complaint against this video, do write a mail to grammarlover.com@gmail.com. Moreover, do visit our website grammarlover.com to complete your assignment for today. All answers to the assignments can be found in this video. Of course, you may have to replay the videos to get your answers. And yes, do not forget to SLS. Subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye until next video.